Hi guys, welcome back to Success Win channel. Today I'm going to explain about important topic, that is special operator in Python. So these special operators are very important while giving interview and even while writing Python programs. That time it is important. And in this special operator there are two types. One is identity operator and another one is membership operator. So now I am going to discuss with detail. So first one is identity operator. So what is the meaning of identity? First we need to understand the basic definition of the identity operator, then you can easily understood. So first we can use this identity operator where means for address comparison. What comparison? Address comparison. This word is most important. What is that means? Address comparison. Identity operator mainly used while comparison in address comparison, that is called as identity operator. Okay, what means identity operator means just it is identity operator, it is mainly used for address comparison. That purpose identity operator is used. So in this identity operator again it has two categories. One is and is not. So what is the meaning of is and is not? I will show with the example. So just you can assume R1 is R2 returns true. If it is true if both R1 and R2 are pointing to the same object. If R1 and R2 are pointing to the same object, so it is true. If it is not different, so then we can see not. R1 is not R2 returns true if both R1 and R2 are not pointing to the same object, that is not. Okay, so this is all about identity operator. So second one is membership operator. So what is the meaning of membership operator means? So where you can use this, what the purpose of using this membership operator means, we can use membership operator to check them whether the given object is present in the given collection or not. What does it mean? Whether the given object, so what does it mean? Given object is present in the given collection only. So it may be list or string or set or tuple, dictionary, whatever, like that. It is membership operator. So in this membership operator again it has two types, in and not in. So in represent it returns true if it is true if the given object present in the special collection. Okay, and not in it returns true if the given object is not present in the specified collection. Okay, the specified collection. So this is all about membership operator. So guys, this is all about special operator. So I hope this session you understood. If you understood my session, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.